I recently watched a video presentation on TAP Integrative by Kara Fitzgerald on autoimmune disease. And I thought it was a very thorough, thoughtful presentation about how to diagnose, treat, and manage patients with autoimmune diseases. I liked her assessment and management that involved targeting the genetic, the environmental, nutritional, gastrointestinal, hormonal, and immune aspects of this condition that manifests in so many ways. I recently had a patient who is a 75-year-old male who consulted me for recent onset of rheumatoid arthritis. And although he had his disease somewhat under control by taking prednisone and methotrexate that was prescribed by his physician, his goal was to get off those medications. And so although these medications were helpful in the symptomatic treatment, they were not really addressing the causes of his autoimmune illness. And I found that by looking at some of these other factors that Dr. Fitzgerald presented, it really helped me to address his problems and in a more comprehensive, holistic way that probably holds a much better chance of getting him to be symptom-free than just simply palliating his symptoms. So he had previously been working in construction as a cabinet maker, for example, and had numerous exposures to toxic substances through that occupation. And by being able to evaluate that toxicity as well as the other factors that may be playing a role in his disease, I think that we can have a much better chance of helping him recover from his illness. This autoimmune disease presentation by Dr. Fitzgerald is just one of over 40 topics that are available on TAP Integrative. And I just learned today what TAP really means, which means to tap into the wisdom and expertise of people who are really knowledgeable about these subjects. So I highly encourage you to become a member of TAP Integrative.